Hi, I'm Shree. In this video, we will see the demo program for Fibonacci series. Before that, we'll see the small introduction about Fibonacci series. What is Fibonacci series? Who is the founder? How it is work? How to write the code using Python. Let's start. Founder of Fibonacci. Leonardo Bonaci is the founder of Fibonacci series. He is born on 13th century. He is an Italian mathematician. He is most talent mathematician in his middle age. He wrote many books, for example, books of calculation, books of square, practice of geometry, etc. Why Fibonacci series? The value of Fibonacci series works well because it's related with Weber's law. That means after the second number, the number is 100% greater than the 1. And after that, each number is 60% greater than the previous number. This is the most impact of positive change in our real life and environment. Every year, November 23, we are celebrating the Fibonacci Day because the month and day is start from 11/23. 11 is a month, 23 is a day. The month and day is a form of Fibonacci sequence. How the sequences work? Fibonacci sequence. Here, the number is starting from 0 and 1. Okay, the number is starting from 0 and 1. And after that, the value is incremented like this. How it is incremented? 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, so on. The value will incremented. Okay. So, how the value is incremented here now? See, consider 0 is the first number, 1 is the second number. Okay. And for the result, I'm going to add this 2 number and I'm going to print it here. Okay. This is the first sequence. And for the next sequence, now first number is 1 and second number is 2. And using this 2 number I added, I'm printing the output. Okay. And for the next sequence, first number is 1, second number is 2. I'm adding this 2 number, I'm printing the output. Okay. For the next sequence, again the first number is 2 and the second number is 3. So this 2 number is added and printing the output. So like this, the sequence is working in this Fibonacci series. Okay. How to write the program using Python code? Like this type of sequence output we need. Okay. How to write the code using Python language? We'll see the program here. See, I'm having the source code in left side and in right side I'm having the output. Okay. So, first we will see the code. What I declared here, first number, second number. What is the first number? 0. Second number, 1. Till the end number. This is the variable. And I am getting the runtime input. Int input, enter the number of time like that. So, once I run this code, I am getting the runtime input. See here, enter the number of time. I entered 8. Okay. That means the value of this variable is 8. Okay. I am getting the runtime input. Okay. And after getting the runtime input, what I return here? Print first number, comma, second number. And what is the first number? 0. And what is the second number? 1. Okay. So this print statement will execute after this, right? See, we are printing the output 0 and 1. Okay. After that, we are having 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, right? This all the numbers till up 8 times is executing here by the help of this for loop. Okay. So after that print statement, I return the for loop for I in range. Starting from 0 till up to 8 times I need to iterate the code. If the condition is true, it will execute the code. Okay. So here, inside the for loop, in first line, I return result equal to first number plus second number. So what is the first number? 0. What is the second number? 1. So this 2 number is added and we are getting the result. Right? That is the first sequence. Okay? And before printing this print result, like that I return, right? Before printing this message, that means before printing this one value, I'm having one more line in 7th line, right? Okay? In this, what I return? First number, comma, second number equal to second number, comma, result. What is the meaning of this? Whatever the second number we are having, that will be assigned to the first number. Whatever the result we are having, that number will assign to the second number. Okay, second number is assigned to the first number and result will assign to the second number. So like this, the value is interchanging here. Okay. And we are getting the result, right? We calculated here and we need to print it. After assigning the value, we need to print it. So that value is printing as 1. So 1 is printing. Okay. And 0 time execution is over. And after that 1 time iteration is there, right? We need to start the next iteration. So in that time, here we have the first number, second number and result in this, right? So now, see, second number is, now it is first number. Whatever the result we are having, that is a second number. Okay, now this both number is added and it's printing the output. Okay, for the first iteration. 0 iteration is over, first iteration is over. And then second iteration. For the second iteration in for loop, now first number is 1, second number is 2. Okay, we are getting the result. Okay, now third iteration. Now the first number is 2, second number is 3. So both number is added, we are getting the result. Okay, now we are in fourth iteration. First number is 3 and second number is 5. So I am getting the result 8. Okay, like that. Till how many times I need to execute here? 8 times. That means starting from 0 now, it will execute till up to 7 times. Like this way, the value is calculated here. Okay. Any doubts in this? Here, I used a for loop. And if you need to use the while loop, we can write it. Or using function, you need to create the code. Now you can create it. Okay. But here, I show the demo using for loop. I hope you understand the Fibonacci sequence in this code. Thanks for watching.